Hello, my name is Caspar, and we are here at LSG. Let me take you to our day on a Thursday.
Make It Grow is all about supporting community-based food initiatives to get off the ground. We work with community groups and organisations to support them to learn how to make participatory video proposals so that they can pitch their ideas for food projects and attract startup funding to get their projects off the ground. The Make It Grow approach supports community ownership and ideas, building on community strengths, talents and dreams. Working with participatory video proposals enables communities to take the lead on their own project ideas in their own language, in their own way. It allows donors to get an immediate sense of place and purpose that would be lost if it was written on paper. We've now put together a 12-step workshop programme that's designed to support community groups from start to finish to learn how to make videos, to tell stories that matter to them, to plan their projects and pitch their ideas in the form of edited video proposals.
Welcome to Kufunda Greenhouse Project. My name is Chaimo Samkange. I'm here at Kufunda presenting you our greenhouse projects.
For me, Make It Grow had made an impact to the communities for their voice, for their story to be shared around the world. The story of the community, can be, told, through a video using their phone.
The communities, they're so excited and active in terms of working as groups. They're inspiring other community groups in their community.
It has empowered the beneficiaries to stand firm with their projects. More and more people have showed interest in video making, especially the youth.
We have seen people empowered to drive their own projects and take ownership of local initiatives, fostering a sense of autonomy and building community spirit.
It increases learners' engagement and participation. It also provides a simpler and practical learning experience with the audience that I work with.
Videos can be shared really widely via social media and different kinds of online platforms. And this allows communities to put their stories out there, to build up their support base, to reach other communities like them, to share their knowledge, as well as attract funding.
My name is Caspar Kolimbo, and I'm from Chitungwiza, south side of Harare. And I've always loved gardening, planting trees, and creating designs. For me, working with people who share the same dream brings real joy. Meeting, learning, growing together in one place is something truly amazing. Today we are proud to say we are setting up our storefront, a place where people can come and buy plants grown right there in our community.
Welcome to Culture Park, a high-density suburb in the city of Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. And we are with Management Community Health Club, a group of women, 12 actually, who came together with the purpose of trying to provide a nutritious porridge for their community.
Vele sesikhangelele ukusupplya izitolo ezinkulu ezinjengabo TM, sisupply ezikolo, ema-creche.
We are so happy with the GOAT project. It is going on well. It is inspiring the community to do permaculture.
The dedicated women in Makunembe Culinary Heritage Project has come together with a shared mission to preserve and promote Kalanga traditional food, improving the appreciation and consumption of locally produced foodstuffs through awareness campaigns, cooking competitions, and step-by-step video tutorials and visuals.
Taunganidza kudaro tichaita mukando wedu watinotengerana grocery, watinotengerana zvidziyo, tinoshare kairi pagore pamukando wedu. Group redu tinoshande zvakanaka.
Inside this this greenhouse, we can then supply and help the village and also nearby farmers. They can benefit from this greenhouse.
3 takapawo chichemo tikati isusu kubatsira isusu tega chiruda kubatsira nharaunda tichanga tichizopawo mbeu kunharaunda.
We are excited about the future, and here's what we're looking forward to. Number 1, there's need to expand our flock up to 100 birds to enable productivity and also the impacts. Number 2, we also have to expand our infrastructure so that it be well ventilated, have enough shading, and also predator free.
In 2024, I ran a training of trainers program, and we supported 25 facilitators from local not-for-profit organisations to become Make It Grow facilitators and to work with their own partner community groups on the ground in Zimbabwe.
From the time that I joined the Make It Grow team, and we've been collaborating then all the way through to co-facilitating the participatory video and decolonization workshops. It's been an amazing learning journey for me, and not only for myself but for the participants in the workshops as well. The knowledge exchange has been amazing.
The Make It Grow training of trainers gave me an opportunity to fundraise firsthand and to now go and engage with communities. And the processes that we then use in working with our community groups are very, very empowering, because it is not about the donor or the funder or the supporters, but it is more to do with what the community feels are their needs.
Several of the organisations that we've worked with have now integrated the Make It Grow approach into their own grant giving processes, and they run small grant programmes for community groups, inviting video applications and video reports. We've created several online learning resources such as help sheets, facilitators handbook, demonstration videos and examples, and an explainer cartoon, so that community groups can access these resources for free to be able to use them to develop their own community video proposals.
So I got the chance to see the Gosha village, what they are doing. I got to see the goat project. I had to see the greenhouse project. I had to see the fish project. It's also motivated me in terms of how to keep records, how to put things together, and to see possibilities on how our best we can be sustainable in our communities in Zimbabwe.
Make It Grow is a true example of empowerment. And while we have focused on food systems in the current project, we see its potential for communities to present their project proposals to possible funders for all types of initiatives. We look forward to introducing the video proposal methodology to more community groups and to seeing them flourish.
A result of this group learning process is that people have experience incredible learning. They build relationships with others, with other community groups across the country who have similar interests, and there's a lot of common ground between them. So it's not just about accessing finance, it's about accessing knowledge and accessing relationships with which you can build a network for sustainable food transition. Given the positive outcomes that we've seen from Make It Grow so far, we'd love to scale out the approach in Zimbabwe and beyond. The Make It Grow approach has potential to support communities in a whole range of different contexts and environments. I'm currently working with Sheffield City Council to help improve access to a community small grant programme, working with 5 different community groups across the city.
Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more sustainable future. Together we can make a difference.
Teamwork, accountability and discipline. These are important in running a business.
Try, fail, and keep trying, because growth begins with a single seed.